The United States Military Academy at West Point is where America's future Army leaders are forged. Founded in 1802, it combines world-class academics, rigorous military training, and physical challenges to shape cadets into officers of character, ready to lead soldiers in defense of the nation. West Point graduates have commanded in every major conflict, carrying its proud motto, duty, honor, country. More than a school, it is a tradition of excellence and sacrifice. West Point, the birthplace of Army leadership.